You know, Ricky, I've read your book, Rules of Thumb, and you commonly refer to Mount Holly as kind of the world-class standard for maintenance reliability. What was that journey like of getting, that facility to world-class standards? Because I imagine it was a long journey, right? It didn't just happen
No,
overnight.
no, it wasn't a long journey. It was a new facility. The engineer and the maintenance manager came from Lycoming, and which was a helicopter engine company. He was a QA engineer, charged of quality assurance of helicopters. So he took that philosophy, and what he did was brought smart people in to design, planning, scheduling, work execution, all the things that need to get the desired outcome. Like he said, he thinks of a helicopter. It's got to go up and down in a controlled state. He expects $1 billion aluminum smelter to produce what it's supposed to produce at the cost it's supposed to produce it at. And that's what we did.
Wow.
So he brought experts in. I was not one of them that had that, what the depth of knowledge at that time to understand it. But the fully integrated maintenance software we had, condition of employment was all work had to be in the CMMS, condition of employment. And some of the people didn't make it. Some of the people got terminated because of that. So when you close out a work order, your data had to be accurate, had to be correct.
Wow. So what I'm hearing is like the data quality was kind of the fundamentals of being able to, make improvements onto the business and get you guys to this world-class standard.
Absolutely. And people tried to duplicate this. Some large corporations came in and paid a lot of money to this plant to learn their model, and none of them went back and did much. They may have spiked a little bit, but then they dropped off. Unfortunately, it's terrible, that it happens, but it requires discipline. It requires a process, and it requires metrics to be able to manage it, leading and lagging metrics.